Hi folks, and welcome to the channel. Today we're just going to have a quick look at some ring fence work here on the Spindle Moulder. I had a couple of gunstock style doors to do, and to create the glazing rabbits I needed to use the ring fence. As with a gunstock style, the bottom part of the style is wider than where the glass sits, so conventional fences on the spindle can't be used. So I thought this would be a good opportunity just to give you a quick look at some other uses for the ring fence, like not only used in circular work but doing things like this as well. So just hang in there for a couple of minutes and you'll have a bit of a look at what we do. So just starting off here, I was trying to get myself set up here to come in from the front side, but as it turned out I couldn't get the angle right because of the feed unit there, so I just ended up switching to the other side here. A little bit more difficult because I couldn't really see too well where my line is, and I had to kind of pull back a little bit, which is a bit risky because it can run on you and actually drag you further than you really want to go. Interesting, the things that you pick up on the video that you didn't know at the time. That nail on the bench there, I have no idea where that came from. Sooner or later it gets knocked onto the floor. But anyway, shouldn't have been there. So as I've just inspecting this here, I've noticed that I haven't really come far enough, or at least not far enough to where I want it to be, so I just go back in very carefully for just another little nibble. So I have to start going very carefully here as I get to this angled shoulder here, because I'm actually going against the grain. So just take it nice and slow. You can see that it's ripping out a bit there, so just take it nice and slow, because the last thing I want to happen here is to break a big chunk out of it. So just nice and slow until I get up fairly close to my line, and then we're done. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.